Hello students, I am Pratima. Welcome you all to this video. Thank you all the subscribers for sharing and liking the video. So today in this episode we'll learn another concept of mathematics, that is your proportion, and which is very much related to ratio. We have already finished learning ratio. Here proportion has a wide application in real life situation. Suppose you are making map of something, or you are drawing a picture which is similar to another picture, or you are finding the cost of different articles from one cost is given, or finding your percentage. So ratio and proportions are very much useful. So let us begin. So let us start it with the concept ratio. We have already learned it. Now if I ask what is the ratio of length to breadth of a national flag, and as a citizen of India we must know it. It is length to breadth is equal to 4/3, or breadth to length is your 3/4. So length ratio breadth is equal to 4/3. We know how to write a ratio. Now here we have a problem solving. What? Now here I am showing this is the original flag, which is ratio 4:3, and I have taken one flag A, one flag B, and one flag it is C, the bigger one. Now my question is, which one you will prefer with same dimension? That means when the ratio of length and breadth is equal to 4/3. Will you prefer one? Will you prefer B? Or will you prefer C? Which one? So that is a brainstorming. You must be thinking which one is correct. Yes, your guess is right. What is it? Which one you will prefer? You will measure it. You will measure the length and breadth. For A, the breadth is 3 and length is 6. And for your B, it is both length and breadth are 5. And for your last one, the breadth is 6 and the length is your, how much? 8. Length is 8 here. If you measure it, it will be 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. You measure it, it is 8 centimeter. So which one you will prefer? Yes, certainly you will prefer C. Why? Because see, the ratio of breadth to length is same here. Or if we'll compare, here the breadth is 6, so it is 2 times, and here the for first one the length was 4, and second one the breadth is length is your 8. So both are 2 times of the previous one. So for first case the ratio was 3/4 breadth to length, and for second is it is 6/8. So if you will make 6/8, reduce it, 6/8 is again 3/4. So this is called your, we can say, proportion. That means when two ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. So before going into details of ratio and proportion, let us speak something about why we learn it, ratio and proportion. Because it has a wide application in real life situations. How big questions or these problems where you solve using unitary methods, here instead of using unitary method, you can use the ratio and proportion so that you can get the answers very quickly. So while solving problems, we'll understand it better. So starting from ratio and proportion definition, mathematical definition. Suppose there are two ratios, A is to B and C is to D. We can write in fraction form also, A upon B and C upon D. If these two ratios are equal, if A by B is equal to C by D, then we say A, B, C, D are in proportion. Ratio of A is to B is equal to ratio of C is to D. Then we say A, B, C, D are in proportion. Or it can be written in the column way also. They are A, B, C, D in proportion. We write A colon B, and here there are two columns. C is to D. So A is to B as C is to D. So one is column form, one is your standard form. Two ways we have already learned. We read as A is to B and C is to D. So here A is called your first proportional. B is called second proportional. C is called third proportional. And D is called fourth proportional. Similarly, we also use this term. One is A and D are called extreme proportionals. That means they are at the end. And B and C are your mean proportional. So whenever one proportional will not be given, you have to find out. So we can apply this relation and we can find the which is not there. Similarly, three quantities A, B, C can be also in proportion. If ratio of A to B is equal to ratio of B to C. A ratio B same as your B ratio C. Like this. Here also we'll apply the concept A colon B is, you can see these two column means is equal to B colon C, or A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. Here also another term we use that A, B, C are in continued proportion. They are in continued proportion. Here A is called first proportional, B is called mean proportional, and C is called third proportional. B is also called second, but another term is used for B. Second one is mean proportional. So here A by B is equal to B by C, or we can use B into B is equal to A into C, or B square is equal to AC. We can use this relation also. Square of B is same as a product of A and C. That means square of mean is equal to first proportional into third proportional. So knowing all this concept, let us begin the question now. So this is your exercise 8B R.S. Aggarwal book. Show that 30, 40, 45, 60 and proportion. To show in proportion, we have to show that ratio of first to second is equal to ratio of third to fourth. So let us start from solution. We'll make ratio, then we'll reduce it to show them equal. If they are not equal, then they are not in proportion. So first is 30, second is 40. So how much if I'll reduce it? It will be 3 by 4. I can divide with 10, I'll get 3 by 4. Then your third to fourth is 45 to 60. So what is the common divisor? I can divide with 15 both the terms. So I'm getting again 3 by 4. So what is our conclusion? Conclusion will be 30, 40, 45, 60 are in proportion. I hope you understood. Question number 2. Show that 36, 49, 6, 7 are not in proportion. Already is given, it is not in proportion. So ratio of first to second is equal to 36 to 49. Is there any common divisor? 36 and 49? No. There is no such number who is 36 and 49 both are divisible. And third and fourth is equal to 6 by 7. So 36 by 49 is not equal to 6 by 7. So 36, 49, 6, 7 are not in proportion. Now I'm writing another concept to do this type of questions. What is it? Now we know that they are in proportion if A by B is equal to C by D, or I can write this product of A and D, two extremes, is equal to product of B and C. So this is a very important concept to identify where the four numbers are in proportion or not. That means you will multiply two extremes and you will multiply two means. If both are equal, then they are in proportion. If they are not equal, they are not in proportion. For example, 36 multiplies 7. Find out the answer. 6, 7 times 42, 4. This is 2, 5, 2. Now, if we'll multiply 49 into 6, 6, 9 times 54 carries 5, this will be 294. Are they equal? No, so 36 multiplies 7 is not equal to 49 multiplies 6. So we'll write that 36, 49, 6, 7 are not in proportion. Question number 3. Here, they are in proportion. It is given the 2, 9, x, 27 are in proportion. You have to get the value of x. What is x? So in the same way, we'll write, what we'll write? Ratio of first to second, or 2:9 can be written in this way. And this, what is the meaning of 2 columns? It is equal to x by 27. So as I shown, I'll multiply 9 into 6x. It should be equal to 2 into 27. Or x is equal to, how much is 27 into 2? 54 upon 9. The answer is 6. What is the value of 6? X is equal to 6. Is it easy? Yes. Question number 4. Same procedure. Ratio of 8 to x S is equal to 16 ratio 35, or 16 into x. Always try to take x in the left side. So 16 multiplies x is equal to 38. 35 multiplies 8, sorry, it is 35, or x is equal to how much? 35 multiplies 8 division 16. So now you can cancel. With what you will cancel? You can cancel 8, 1, 8, 2. So answer is 35 by 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 35 by 2. Question number 5. I hope you have understood. You can write yourself, pause the video, write yourself, and you can check whether you are correct or not. So x ratio 35 is equal to, this is colon means semi, two columns means is equal to 48 upon 60, or 60 multiplies x is equal to 48 multiplies 35, or x is equal to 48 35 upon 60. Now you can simplify in your own way. I can cancel with 12. 12 4 times your 48, and 12 5 times is your 60. So always try to divide with big numbers so that you can get answer quickly. So this will be 4, this will be 5. Then 5 I can cancel with what? With 35, 7 times 35. So this will be 4 into 7, 28 answer. So x is equal to 28. Question number 6. Find the fourth proportional to the number. So question 6 has 3 parts. You have to get the fourth proportional. That means 4 number is not there. So let it be x. Let fourth proportional be x. Then the ratio of 8 to 36 is equal to ratio of 6 to x, or cross multiply. 8 multiplies x is equal to 6 multiplies 36, or what you'll get? We'll get x is equal to 6 into 36 upon 8. So you can cancel 4 2 times, 4 9 times, and 2 I can cancel with 3. So answer is 27. Now coming to second part. Similarly, here also fourth optional is not given. I can take as x. So 5 ratio 7 is equal to 30 ratio x, or 5 times of x is equal to 7 times of 30, or x is equal to 7 multiplies 30 upon 5. 5 6 times your 30, so this gives you 42. So fourth optional is 42. Now here it is a decimal. So you'll write, let it be x fourth proportional. Then your 2.8 ratio 14 is equal to 3.5 ratio x, or 2.8x is equal to 3.5 multiplication 40. So what is x? X is equal to 3.5 multiplies 14 upon 2.8. It is decimal, no problem. Multiply with 10, it will be 28. So I'll multiply 10 with 3.5. So this will be 35 into 14 whole by 28. So 10 and 14 and 28 cancel. So what is the answer? Answer is 35 by 2. So we'll write in the fraction? No, because these numbers are in decimal. These numbers are decimal. So I'll write the decimal here. It will be 17.5. So this is the answer of this. Next, question number 7. Now the question is 36, 54, x are in continued fractions. Continued fractions means there are 3, or the second proportional is once will be with first and same it will be with third. You have to get the value of x. So according to the question, 36 ratio 54 is same as 54 ratio x. 36, 54, x. So 36 ratio 54 is same as your 54 ratio x. 36 ratio 54 is same as your 54 ratio x. I hope it is clear now. So cross multiply, 36 will be multiplied with x and 54 will be multiplied with 54. So what is x? X is equal to 54 multiplies 54 divided by 36. Don't multiply 54, 54. Try to cancel with common divisor so that there will be no need of big multiplication. And for this cancelling, you should be very good in multiplication table. So here I can cancel with what? I can cancel 9. 9 4 times, 9 6 times. 9 6 times 54, 9 4 7. Again this 6 4 can be cancelled with 2. 2 3 times, 2 2 times. 2 times, 2 3 times. Again 2 can be cancelling your 27 times 54. So what I'm getting finally, 27 multiplies 3, 81. Don't hurry. You can cancel in your own way, or you can divide your 54, multiply 54 when divide with 36. That will also solve the purpose. So the value of x is 81. Question number 8. In the similar question, you can do yourself. You can check the answer, pause the video, write the answers yourself. The purpose of this video is not to give you the answers, to make you develop your problem solving skills. So you pause the video, do, and you check the answer. So 27 ratio 36 is equal to 36 ratio x. Or 27 multiplies x is equal to 36 multiplies 36. Or x is equal to 36 into 36 upon 27. Are you getting any common divisor? Yes. 9 is what for? 9 3 times, 9 4 times. Then again here you can cancel 36 with 3. 36 with 3. 3, 12, 3 times your 36. So what you are getting? You are getting 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is 48. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 48. Question number 9. Find the third proportional to 8 and 12. You need to find third proportional. So which will be taken as x. And they are in continued ratio because three numbers are there. So what I'll write? I'll write let third proportional be x. Then ratio of first to second is same as ratio of second to third. Or 8 times of x is equal to 12 into 12, or x is equal to 12 multiplies 12 by 8. So cancel now. 4 3 times, 4 2 times, 2 here 6. So 6 multiplies 3, it will be 18. So the answer is, third proportional of this question is your 18. Come to second part. Second part is 12, 18. Let this be x. So ratio of 12 to 18 is equal to 18 to x, or x into 12 is equal to 18 into 18, or x is equal to 18 multiplies 18 divided by 12. So what is the common divisor? 6. 6 3 times, so 2 times. 2 you can cancel with 9. So it will be 9 3 times 27. So answer of second part is your 27. Now coming to third one. Third one is a, can check, it is a decimal. So 4.5 is to 6 is equal to 6 and x. So 4.5 by 6 is equal to 6 by x, or 4.5 into x is equal to 6 into 6, or x is equal to 36 by 4.5. No problem, multiply with 10. So this will be 36 into 10 by 45. Cancel with 5. 5. Cancel with 9. 9 4 times, 9 5 times. 5 2 times. So how much you are getting? You are getting 8. So x is equal to 8. Now question number 10. If third proportional to 7 and x is equal to 28. Third proportional to 7 and x is 28. Find the value of x. That means there are three proportionals here. One is 7 and one is x, one is 28. That means x will be shared with 7, x will shared with 28. So ratio of 7 to x is same as your x to 28. So how to solve this? You can cross multiply or multiply diagonally. So I'll multiply x and x is equal to 7 into 28. So x into x is square of x, and 7 into 28, it will multiply 196. Now think of whose square is your 196. That means x square is same as your 14 multiplies 14. Or we write is 14 square. So x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14. Or if you can think of in another way, if you have not learned the squares, I can show you the process. What is it? X multiplies x is equal to 7 multiplies 28. I'll break your 28 in this form. How? 7 into 2, 2. So I can write x multiplies x is equal to 14 multiplies 14. So what will be x? X is equal to 14. So value of x is 14 by any method. If you can learn this method, this is good. Question number 11. Find the mean proportional to 6 and 24. Mean proportional. Is the similar questions what we did in question number 10. Mean proportional means in between there is mean and you have to find it. So let it be the mean proportional be x. Then ratio of 6 to x is equal to x to 24. I'm doing the first one. Find the mean proportional of 6 and 24. That means 6, in between there is a number, I am taking it x. So ratio of 6 to x is ratio of x to 24. Or I'll cross multiply, x into x is equal to 6 into 24. Then if this is square of x and this is 144. 144, 624 times 144, it is square of 12. Why? This is your 12 into 12. 12 into 12 is 144. So this gives you x is equal to 12. This is part 1. Coming to second part. Second part is your 3 and 27. So 3x 27. So write down in ratio form, 3 upon x is equal to x upon 27. Or cross multiply, x multiplies x is equal to 3 multiplies 27. So this gives you x square is equal to, it will be 81. 81 is equal to 9 into 9. 9 into 9. I can write it's 9 into 9. Then what will be x? X will be 9. Okay. Coming to third one. Third one is 0.4. The decimal is there. X is in between. Then 0.9. So 0.4 upon x is equal to x upon 0.9. This gives you x into x is equal to 0.4 into 0.9. Or this is your square of x is equal to 0.36. 0.36, I'll write this is 0.6 multiplies 0.6. So what you are getting? You are getting x into x is equal to 0.6 into 0.6. So what will the answer? Answer will be x is equal to 0.6. Or directly you can write, I am writing here, x square is equal to 0.36 means 36 by 100. So this can be written as 6 by 10 square. 6 square divided by 10 square. So x is equal to 6 by 10, that will be 0.6. So I wrote so many methods. Whatever you will be comfortable, you will apply. Question number 12. What number should be added to each of the numbers to get the numbers which are in proportion? That means here it is saying that this 5, 9, 7, 12 are not in proportion. But if you add a term, particular number, they will be in proportion. And how to take this proper number? Oh, it is x. So I'll let the number be x. That means after adding x, they will be proportion. Then that means after adding x, ratio of your first and second will be equal to third and fourth. So let the number added to each of numbers is x. Bx. Then first number will become what? 5 plus x. Second will become what? 9 plus x. Third will become what? 7 plus x. Fourth will become what? 12 plus x. Now they are in proportion. Then ratio of first to second is equal to ratio of third to fourth. I'm writing here are in proportion. Then we will what? How to find x? No problem. Cross multiply. You know the procedure now? Cross multiply. So what I'll get? 5 plus x into 12 plus x is equal to 7 plus x multiplies 9 plus x. And you know the algebraic multiplication, algebraic expression, go on multiplying correctly. So this will be how much? 5 multiplies 12, 60. 5 multiplies x, 5x plus x multiplied 12. This gives 12x. X multiplies x gives you x square. Or you can find your own method to multiply, but result will be same. Next is 7 multiply 9. It will be 63. 7 multiplies x, 7x. 9 multiply x, 9x. X multiply x is equal to x square. So what next? Next is we will solve for x. We will find value of x by any means. So what I'll do, I am applying the linear solution of linear equations. So here I'll cancel first x square. Why? Both the side x square I can shift x square, it will become 0. Next I'll take all x to left side, or I can write another number here. More simplification, this will be 5x plus 12x, 17x. And this side it will be your 7 plus 9, 16x plus 63. Next, I'll take all x to left side. So 17x minus 16x, and I'll take number to right side. So 63 minus 60. So what I'm getting? I'm getting x is equal to 3. So what is the number? So number should be added 3. So 3 must be added. You can verify the answer also. You can add to all of them to see whether they are in proportion or not. Must be added to 5, 9, 7, 12, so that they will be in proportion. They are in proportion. Next is question number 30. What number must be subtracted? There it was added. Here what must be subtracted from each of the numbers? 10, 12, 19, 24 to get the numbers which are in proportion. That means these numbers are not in proportion. Not in proportion. But if we subtract a constant term, they will be in proportion. So let what the number? Yes, of course, x be subtracted from each. Then numbers will be what? First will be 10 subtraction x. Next will be 12 subtraction x. 19 subtraction x. 24 subtraction x. They are in proportion. So when they are in proportion, so ratio of first to second is same as your ratio of third to fourth. What next? Cross multiply, or 10 minus x into 24 minus x is equal to 19 minus x multiplies 12 minus x. And now you multiply very sincerely. 10 into 24, 240. Then 10 into x minus 10x. x into 24 minus 24x minus x into minus x. This gives you plus x square. Coming to the right side. Or you can do in the rough, you can multiply as you have learnt. You can put the values. It should be as it is. Next is 19 into 12. 19 2 times 38 carries 3. 19 1 19. 3 is 22. Then your 19 into x minus 19x minus x into 12 minus 12x minus x into minus x, it will be plus x square. And as I did in that question, here same term, they are on the both the side of equation. I'll cancel them. And next I'll simplify. It will be 24 240 minus, both are minus, so it will be 34x, and it will be 228, both are minus here also, it will be 31x. Or I'll get minus 34x plus 31x. What I'm doing, I'm taking all x to left side. I'm taking x to left side and I'll take number to right side. So it will be 228 minus 240. Or you are getting how much? Minus 34 plus 31, minus 3x. And here 228, 240. 240 is greater. How much greater? 12 greater. And it has negative sign, so I'll write negative. Or 3x is equal to 12. I is cancelled or negative. Or x is equal to 12 by 3. How much is 12 by 3? 4. So the answer is 4 is to be subtracted. Now question number 14. A scale of a map 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be how much? 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs. What is the actual distance between two towns if they are 4 centimeters apart from the map? That means, what is the meaning of this? The distance on map and actual distance, the ratio is equal to how much? 1 by 50 lakh. Now, if it is distance of map is 4 centimeter, what will be the distance actually? That means they are in proportion. What is in proportion? The distance on the map, actual distance, distance on the map, actual distance. So I'll take let solution I'm writing here. Let actual distance be x. X centimeter, of course, if this is given 4 centimeter, I'll write in x centimeter. Then ratio of 1 by 50 lakh is equal to 4 upon x. Or on cross multiplication, I'm getting x into 1 is equal to 4 into 50 lakh. This many, how much? Centimeter. Now I'll convert into kilometer. It will be 4 into 50 lakhs. I'm not multiplying first. I'll divide with, first I'm dividing with meter. To convert this to meter, I'm dividing by 100. Then to convert into kilometer, I'm dividing by 1000. Now you cancel. So how much remain? It is your 200 kilometer. So actual distance between two towns is 200 kilometer. Question number 15. A certain time, a tree 6 meter high casts a shadow of length 8 meter. At the same time, a pole casts a shadow of length 20 meter. Find the height of the pole. You can think you can understand that this is another application in real life. What is it? There is a tree, it is giving a shadow of your how much? It is 6 meter and it is giving a shadow of 8 meter here. Now question is, if a pole, this is a pole, it is casting a shadow of 20 meter, its shadow is 20 meter, then what will be its height? What will be its height? This is pole, this shadow is this. Shadow is always horizontally on the floor, on the earth. So this is the shade of tree, 6 height and 8 meter is the shadow. Here, if it is 20 meter, then what will be the height of the pole? So we can take height of the pole as x. So I'll write height of pole. Of course, I'll write let height of the pole be x meter. Then what ratio of height to shadow? For both the cases, it will be equal. So it will be 6:8 is equal to x is to 20. 6:8 is equal to x ratio 20. Or now cross multiply, 8 multiplies x is equal to 6 multiplies 28. Or x is equal to 6 multiplies 20 by 8. Cancel. 4 2s are, 4 5s are, and 5 2 3. So it will be 15 meter. So height of pole is 15 meter. So you can imagine how it is used in real life. You can find the height of the tall building, tall tower by measuring their length of the shadow. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can learn more and more. Thank you.